All right, today we're just going to briefly go over basically how to run a sale. We're going to go through how to change from credit to debit for running transactions and void and return and all that good stuff. So to start out, from here, if you're running the credit transaction, this should be where your terminal should start out with your PAX S80. You can just go ahead and start putting in an amount and going through the transaction and throw the prompts. That's an easy one. If you wanted to switch it to a debit transaction, we just hit F3 right here next to credit, and it'll change it to debit. Same thing. Start in on those numbers. Now, if for whatever reason you need to do a return or a refund, that's that option right there, and you can start in. Pretty simple, credit return, right? And the same will go for returns, for void sale, void return. And then as far as debit transactions go, you'll still be able to, do a debit return. You can check debit balance, void sale, void return, etc. So that's an easy one. If you're ever just confused as to how to switch to your debit option, I know it's not super self-explanatory, but yeah, that's how you do that.